Yeah, guys, this section is about Action Plus. Whereas Action Plus is one of the built-in feature in Selenium WebDriver. It can handle edges and mouse interactions. The users of Action Classes can control the and add flexibility in automated testing scenarios, such as can hold the key and along with the making mouse interactions on the web page. Syntax is here, like we can create the object for the Action Class, initiating the new object class for the actions, where we are passing the driver as an argument and allocating the memory, and then object name we are creating it, and through the object name we are calling different methods such as click and hold, context click, double click, move to element, drag and drop, key down, key up, release, send keys, etc. And we are passing argument as locators path here. Locators, that element will be passing as an argument for all of these web elements for these methods, and we are building and performing it. Here we are creating the chain of actions where we need to build or perform the action on the web page, and to perform it we will be using the build, and perform is used to execute the chain of actions created. So let me explore this on Big Basket today. In Big Basket we can find here this one drop down option, where if we click here, we need to mouse over on this option and need to mouse over on any of these options to reach this option to navigate for this page. We'll navigate to Big Basket website. TPS bigbasket.com. Then we'll click on that web element by id dot click. Then we'll instantiate a actions class. Actions a is equal to new actions, pass driver as an argument here. A is the object name. Through A we can call the methods, can perform any actions such as move to element, click, double click, right click, context click, like multiple actions can be performed. So here our requirement is to navigate to move to element, move to the second option, then move to from this second option. When we select this second one, multiple options will be displayed over here, and we need to mouse over on this, then click on this. We have to move to this one, then click on this. Let me spy on this and take the X path of this element, this list option. Here we can observe inside this nav we have UL unordered list, and we can find here we have three UL list here, where each of this UL signifies each of these list options. This first one signifies this first one, second one signifies second list of options, this third one signifies this third list of options. So we will need to select, and inside this we have multiple list items here, so each of those are the these options. So we need to select second one right here. We need to go here and take the X path of this. Yeah, we'll store it in a web element list option 1 is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath. Paste this. Yeah, list option 1. Then we'll ask driver to sleep for some time, because we may face some wait interceptions errors, because we may face some errors. Yes, then list option a dot move to, we need to move to element, right? Move to that first option, right? So move to element, pass this web element list option 1 as an argument for this method, and we need to build this chain of action and perform to execute. We'll ask driver to sleep again. Actually we need to use implicit and explicit wait. Again we need to select this fourth option, right? To navigate to mangoes, here we need to select the fourth option of the second unordered list, then fifth option of this third unordered list. So we will modify here only this X path. Just copy paste this list option to second UL list, need to mouse over on fourth one, right? Now we have used the mouse move to element method. Now we'll use click and hold. For that we need to use move. First we need to move to that element list option 2, pass an argument, and click and hold. Even we can click also, context click, double click. Context is nothing but if you want to right click on any web element, then we can use the context click method here through the actions class. Double click is if you want to click on any web element two times, then we can use double click. Click and hold is nothing but like if you want to click and hold any web element, then we can use this click and hold. We will use click and hold because basically if we hold only, it will show this list of options, right? So we'll use now click and hold, and dot build dot perform. Okay, no need to give you. Fine. Then the third option is third UL, fifth option, right? Mangoes is in fifth option. third one, passes as third. And here what we will do is click and hold and release, because we need to click there, right? So we will click and hold and release there. Release the mouse there so that it will click there. Basically it will navigate to that option. It will click on this option if you click and hold and release, or else even you can, instead of click and hold and release, you can use click also, even it will work. And after navigating to this page, we need to verify it navigated to this page only or not, right? So let me confirm it through this text. We'll do it, copy and export. We'll print it. System.out.println driver.find element by.export dot get text. We'll get the text and we'll print it out. And also we'll perform right click on any of the element. We'll try to right click on this relevance web element, inspect element. Yeah. Yes, ID. We have ID for this web element. Let me copy this. Yes. Driver. No. Now we have to perform actions, right? Move to element driver dot find element by dot id, paste it, dot, we need to right click, right, on the element. We have to inspect element, right? So what we'll do is we will select context click, sorry, context click dot build dot perform. Okay, we'll execute now. Yes, website got launched. Clicked on shop by category. Move to the second element, fruits and vegetables, and also for the fourth option it moved, and it has been holding now. Clicked on hold and landed on mangoes page. Yes, right click on relevance option. Yes, we'll see here in console it got printed or not. Yes, see here we can see here home, fruits and vegetables, fresh fruits and mangoes. Yes, so it has printed, it has get the text from here and printed the path here. Thank you, friends.